Hey, what's up, gang? Manny V here with the latest Epic Surf Tours update. I own and operate Epic Surf Tours, and all I'm doing really is capturing those epic surf moments, and I'm doing it by tours, surf coaching, and photography. I got a few things. I'll keep this short and sweet. I got a few things I want to bring you up to date with. Number one, I do have 3 spots remaining in next week's Baja Weekender. If you're looking for that escape from, everything that's been going on, I've been taking trips down to Baja Weekender for the Northern Baja for Baja Weekender since October, and the borders are open. The people down there are going far and beyond, being super safe when it comes to COVID, and empty waves. I mean, good food. It's all there. Baja Weekender is waiting for you. So check out epicsurftours.com. Look under Baja Weekender. Click on the December 11th weekend and come on board. I guarantee you'll have a great time. With the new ride, new accommodations, I mean, there's really no excuse not to have a good time. Plus, I think there should be some swell in the forecast, but I don't guarantee that, but I do guarantee a pretty good time. Okay, next up, photo, video, and drone surfing imagery captured is also available on epicsurftours.com, and I just passed the Part 107 FAA remote pilot license exam. So I'm waiting for my pilot license to come in so I can fly this thing. Yes, drone enabled. Now I can offer that service to you. And the cool thing about it is if you're a dad and you want to capture those sick, awesome moments when your Grom is learning to surf, this is the best way to do it. Or any photography from land or water, I am available for you. In fact, there's a quick little clip of me shooting my really good friend Nels Velocito's Groms the other day, and they're frothing over surfing and the footage. So think about that. Everything is online. The new booking system to be able to reserve time slots is now online as well. So check that out. Last and not least, I am going to post the 2021 Baja Weekender dates, Cabo Exploration dates, and a couple other things that we have going on. And oh, you know what? I forgot to add the reservation system will also include the San Diego boat tours. If you want to do something really different, I do offer boat trips out to these sacred waves that you can only get to by boat or jet ski. So check that out as well. If you want more information on that, you got to hit me up. I like to keep that tour low key, low profile. But if you do want to book, it's on there. So that's it. I think I am good here. If you guys have any questions, hit me up, epicsurftours.com. Again, next weekend's Baja Weekender. I got 3 spots left. Drone photography, land, water photography, videography. It's all available on epicsurftours.com. How can I forget? Last but not least, this time I'm serious. I do have Epic Surf Tours merch ready to rock. I just uploaded and connected the website where you can purchase Epic Surf Tours gear. I'm actually waiting for mine. I just put an order in, so you'll be seeing me sporting some Epic Surf Tours gear. Go down in the description. That's where you're going to get the link, and also on epicsurftours.com. Click on the shop button. All right, now I'm done. Get out in the water. It's going off right now. And please consider next weekend, Baja Weekender. It's the perfect escape from all of this. All right, I'll talk to you later. Boom.